I'm currently outside to Clifton Cottages, which is in Week St. Mary's. So this is a 2-bedroom property that we have available for rent with ourselves. So I'm just stood outside of the access ways. So there's no allocated parking with the property. However, there is parking within the village square, which is just a short distance away from the front door. So I'll take you through to the property. So immediately in front of you, you have got the bathroom with a bath and an overhead shower. So the shower is on the mains, so you've got mains water drainage here. And then on your left, you have got a utility space. So there's plumbing there for a washing machine. So great use of space there. So then following it round from the bathroom, you come through into your main living space. So it leads you through to the kitchen diner. So the oven comes included. You've got mains, gas and electricity at the property. So you've got gas central heating. And then access way through to your garden is up through there and through the patio doors there. So up the stairs, you've got 2 really good sized double bedrooms. So they come with built-in wardrobes. Get a bit more of a perspective of the living space. And you've got your master bedroom through here, which looks into the garden of the property. And again, you've got your built-in wardrobes. So if you'd like to inquire about the property, please give our Launceston branch a call and we'd be more than happy to progress your interest. Thank you.